Ever felt that little prickle of unease in your gut when something just doesn't feel right with your online accounts? Maybe it's an email that looks almost legitimate, a login attempt notification you don't recognize, or a transaction that seems off. We've all been there, or at least, we've all worried about being there. In the world of cryptocurrency, where your digital assets are both your freedom and your responsibility, that feeling of unease can quickly escalate into genuine fear. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for every Newton user: how to report suspicious activity on your account. It's not a matter of if, but when, you might encounter something that raises a red flag. And when that moment comes, knowing exactly what to do, who to tell, and how to protect yourself is paramount. This isn't just about recovering lost funds, it's about safeguarding your financial future, maintaining your peace of mind, and contributing to a safer ecosystem for everyone. Think about it, your Newton account is more than just a place to buy and sell crypto. It's a gateway to a new financial paradigm, a place where you're in control. But with great control comes great responsibility. And part of that responsibility is being vigilant, being proactive, and being prepared. We're going to walk through the signs of suspicious activity, the immediate steps you should take, and the precise methods for reporting these incidents to Newton's dedicated support team. We'll cover everything from phishing attempts and unauthorized access to unusual transaction patterns and social engineering scams. Let's start by understanding what constitutes suspicious activity. It's not always a glaring alarm bell. Sometimes, it's a subtle shift, a minor inconsistency that, if ignored, can lead to significant problems. Have you received an email claiming to be from Newton, asking you to update your personal information via a link? Does the sender's email address look slightly off, perhaps with a hyphen where there shouldn't be one, or a different domain name? This is a classic phishing attempt, designed to steal your login credentials. Never click on links in suspicious emails. Always go directly to the official Newton website by typing the URL into your browser. What about unexpected login notifications? Newton often sends email alerts when your account is accessed from a new device or location. If you receive one of these and you weren't the one logging in, that's a major red flag. It could mean someone has gained unauthorized access to your account. Time is of the essence in such situations. Then there are unusual transactions. Have you noticed a small transfer you don't recognize, perhaps to an unfamiliar wallet address? Or a larger transaction that went through without your authorization? Even seemingly minor discrepancies can be the tip of an iceberg, indicating a broader compromise. Scammers often test the waters with small amounts before attempting a larger heist. Social engineering is another common tactic. This is where an attacker manipulates you into revealing sensitive information or performing actions you wouldn't otherwise. This could be through a fake customer support representative on social media, a friend asking for crypto help, or even a romantic interest who eventually asks for financial assistance. Remember, legitimate Newton support will never ask for your password, your 2FA codes, or direct you to send crypto to an unverified address. So, you've identified something suspicious. What's your immediate next step? Panic is a natural reaction, but it's the least helpful one. The first thing you should do is remain calm and act decisively. Step 1. Secure your account immediately. If you suspect unauthorized access, the absolute first thing you need to do is change your password. Go to the Newton website, log in, if you can, and navigate to your security settings. Choose a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information or easily guessable phrases. Simultaneously, if you haven't already, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is a critical layer of security that requires a second form of verification, usually a code from an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, in addition to your password. If 2FA is already enabled, and you suspect your 2FA device or codes have been compromised, disable and re-enable it on a secure device. Step 2. Document everything. This step is crucial for an effective report. Take screenshots of anything suspicious: the suspicious email, the unauthorized transaction details, the login notification, or any chat logs with individuals you suspect are scammers. Note down dates, times, specific amounts, and any wallet addresses involved. The more information you can provide, the easier it will be for Newton's team to investigate. Step 3. Isolate the compromise. If you use the same password for multiple online accounts, change them all immediately. This is a common vulnerability. If your email account was compromised, secure that first, as it's often the gateway to other accounts. Consider running a reputable antivirus scan on your computer and mobile devices to check for malware. Now that you've taken immediate steps to secure your account and gather evidence, it's time to officially report the activity to Newton. Newton provides dedicated channels for this, and it's essential to use them. How to report suspicious activity to Newton. The primary and most effective way to report suspicious activity to Newton is through their official support channels. Do not respond to suspicious emails or messages. Always initiate contact through their official website or app. Method 1. Submitting a support ticket, recommended for detailed reports. Go to the official Newton support page, open your web browser and type newton.co/support or navigate to it directly from the main Newton website. Be very careful to ensure you are on the legitimate Newton domain. Look for Contact Us or Submit a Request. On the support page, you'll typically find a prominent button or link that allows you to submit a support ticket or request. Select the appropriate category. When creating your ticket, choose a category that best describes your issue, such as security issue, unauthorized activity, or account compromise. This helps route your request to the right team quickly. Provide detailed information. In the description box, explain the situation clearly and concisely. Include all the details you documented in Step 2. What happened? E.g., I received an email about an unknown login. I noticed an unauthorized transaction. When did it happen? Date and time, as precise as possible. Any specific amounts or wallet addresses involved? What steps have you already taken? E.g., I changed my password. I enabled 2FA. Attach your evidence. Upload all the screenshots and documentation you gathered. This is incredibly important for their investigation. Submit the ticket. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, submit your ticket. You will likely receive an automated confirmation email with a ticket number. Keep this number handy for future reference. Method 2. Using the in-app support for quick inquiries or initial reports. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.